This is ITV Uganda. See your dreams.
Dear friend, welcome to ITV Uganda. My name is Harriet Shalom. Today, we are bringing you to the top 5 destinations for Ugandan worldwide. Number 5, USA, the land of dreams.
I heard you calling from the start. A river runs through both our hearts. 1,000 shades of something new. I cannot wait to play for you. So play your songs and make them real. There's a place for all we feel, and it's closer than it seems. Come and find your land of dreams. Land of dreams, land of dreams. Come and find your land of dreams. And it's closer than it seems. Come and find your land of dreams.
Number 4, South Africa, where Uganda workers, witches, or doctors Number 3, England, our colonial masters.
And did those feet in ancient time.
Walk upon England's mountains green.
And was the Holy Lamb of God?
On England's pleasant pastures seen.
And did the countenance divine
shine forth upon our clouded hills.
And was Jerusalem builded here? From these dark satanic mills?
Bring me my bow of burning gold. Bring me my arrows of desire.
Bring me my spear of blood and fire.
Bring me my chariot of fire.
I will not cease from mental fight, nor shall my sword slip in my hand,
Till we have built Jerusalem!
In England's green and pleasant land.
There's only one England.
Discover yours at visitengland.com.
Number 2, Dubai, or UAE.
I felt it before I heard it. The heartbeat of a place I knew I belonged. Where history's lived as much as it's made. forward is the only way the wind blows. A place where the mind awakens as the body unwinds. Where all mankind can not only live, but thrive. I am the flutter in your chest, the chill down your spine, the voice in your head answering every whispered what if, with a roaring, why not? I am the spirit of possible, the spirit of Dubai.
No Dubai, no real business. Finally, number 1. It is not China. It is Afghanistan.
Beyond the myth. Beyond the bloodshed. Beyond the burqa. Discover a place you thought you knew. Afghanistan.
Those were the top 5 destinations for Uganda worldwide. Thank you.
This is ITV Uganda.